Did you know? Historians have divided world's timeline into 4 different eras: Bronze Age, Classical Age, Middle Age, and Modern Age. Each era advances to the next one when a major event happens and changes the course of the world. Wondering what is BCE and CE? Well, historians have chosen to calculate the years referring to the birth of Jesus, peace be upon him. BCE means before Common Era. CE means Common Era. 3500 BCE means 3500 years before the birth of Prophet Jesus. 2021 or 2021 CE means 2021 years after the birth of Prophet Jesus. Interestingly, Prophets of God has also a timeline, which has an interesting relationship with the world's timeline developed by historians. Earlier times, God used to send prophets to particular nations to convey his message. Nuh, Soleh, Lut, Abraham are few examples. This happened during early Bronze Age. After Prophet Abraham, God decided to keep the prophets in his kin. This happened during Mid-Bronze Age. Prophet Moses, one of the messengers of God, took Israelites, children of Israel, away from Egypt to Mount Sinai. This event also coincides with the change of era in world's timeline, which means around the same time the world entered into Classical Age. At 570 CE, the greatest of all personalities was born in the desert of Makkah. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Around the same time, the world's timeline entered into the next era, called Middle Age. It is important that just before the Middle Age, historians had started reporting events, and history was not dependent upon archaeological findings. So Prophet Muhammad's presence is shining in the light of established history and cannot be rejected. Since Prophet Muhammad is the last prophet of God, big question is there any coincidence associated with the modern age? According to one of the prophecies by Prophet Jesus, peace be upon him, it is reported in the Bible Revelation, chapter 19, verse 11 to 21, and chapter 20, verse 1 to 5. It predicts that there will be a person who would be known as true and faithful. Many crowns would be on his head, he will kill all the beasts, and the devil will be captured. He will rule for 1000 years, and after that, the world will change. Prophet Jesus' prediction came true with the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who was known to be true and faithful. He and his followers threw away world powers, and guess what? For exactly 1000 years, his family, that is the children of Ismail, ruled, and after that, Turks took over the power. This happened in 1500 CE. This event also coincides with the change of era in world's timeline, which means around the same time the world entered into the modern age. Prophet Jesus also predicted that after 1000 years, the devil will be set free. Devil will take away the nations from the righteous path, and there will be a period of turmoil. We have already passed 500 years in the modern age, and despite a lot of progress and development, we see that the world in general is greatly affected by natural disasters, wars, and diseases. Prophet Jesus also predicted that after the brief period of turmoil, the world will end and the day of judgment will begin. What do you think? Write to us on your take on these predictions. Like, share, and comment. Subscribe our channel for more content and hit the bell icon. Until next time.